I don't care how supportive your wife is. If she carries the burden, the financial burden of the house for too long, it will take its toll on your marriage. I don't care how supportive, how godly she is. I don't care how much she loves you. Why? She's not built for it. And unfortunately, most women don't have the wisdom required in that phase of their relationship. They are feeling genuine stress, but they don't know how to communicate it well so that their communication can build, not destroy. Because at that phase of the life of a man, he's more sensitive than ever. Anything you say will be held against you at the court of law. Anything you say will be remembered at that time, because it's an extremely sensitive period and phase of their lives. So as a man, you have to be intentional about building your finances. Whether you like it or not, you have to provide. God has put you in that space. In fact, scripture says a man who cannot provide for his family is worse than an infidel and has denied the faith. And I strongly recommend you go back to that message series on God and money. It's on our website, free. Listen to it again and again.